Welcome back to the channel, Butter here, and in today's video we will start on the budget camper build with this Opel Blitz from 1973. I want to make a camper out of it because well, I've always wanted to do it with something like this. It's quite spacious and I'm going to try to do it very budgetly, just by using materials I have laying around. So I want to keep the budget very low. But first of all, the clutch master went out first time I drove it. So I bought myself a new seal and I just put it on the cup already, as you see. So we need to reinstall that and then we can test that, and then after that we will start taking the shelves out and start building a bed frame for it. So I will start by brake cleaning the master cylinder out, and then I will go take some oil, some brake fluid, and we can oil it. So I'll just add a little bit of oil in here so we can lubricate the cylinder walls, or wall. It's only one, so that should be kind of ready. I also took some like sandpaper on my drill and I cleaned it out as good as I could because I don't have a honing tool, so that's that. Now we need to reinstall this little piston, which I'll also oil a little. So hopefully I didn't damage the seal. It's quite hard getting it in. Now we should just try to, I guess, put it in like that, and that's it. So I guess we should put it back underneath and see if it will hold this time. I got the master reinstalled. I left the boot off for now so we can see if it leaks or not. One thing I'll do now is crack open the bleeder, and then I'll fill some brake fluid on the reservoir with the master, and then hope it gravity bleeds. If it does, we can close the bleeder again and see if it leaks here. If it doesn't, then I can put the boot back on and I think I'll just let it sit for a bit and see if it drips out from the bleeder. Can't really see it now, but we will see. Meanwhile, I will start taking the shelves out. It's like I said in the beginning, I want to make a bed frame here. So these are all like original shelves from when it was a fire truck. Even with one hose still, we won't be using that. So I'm just going to undo all the bolts which hold these shelves in, and then we can take them out. Also, a nice thing I found is this fire truck was originally built in Germany and used by the German fire department, but it was also used by the Polish fire department because we found some sheets inside. Maybe I'll show you, which show which department it was and such. It's kind of nice for some of you who speak Polish, or maybe you can take a print screen and then translate it. Kind of nice. So yeah, I'll just start by unbolting these shelves. As you saw, I took the shelves out. That was quite a bit of work, to be honest. And I also took the middle piece out. So next thing, I still have to take a couple little boxes off. But other than that, I think we can just clean this out a little. Now we can start on the bed frame. I'm also planning on cutting this out all the way to the roof. So then you can go from the bed directly into the, whatever this is, the living room, I guess. For wood, I'm going to use this 2x8, which I had laying around, so that will be plenty strong. So now I need to measure here from the front to the back, and this is already wood, which is nice, so we can just screw it down here and here, and then we can build a leg here and there, and then just go across on the other side and do the same. So I'll just take measuring tape, measure that and cut some wood, and then you'll see what we do. As you see, I cut this piece. You guys fell off the gate, so whatever. So this piece will be here. I'll screw it there and here, and then here I can measure what kind of size I need for a leg. So as you can see, I have this one in, and I made two little legs for it, so it's very sturdy. So now I just have to do the same thing on the other side. So I got that side in too. So now what I'll do is I'll just make a couple runners that way, connect them to these, and then in the middle I'll make a couple more of those legs like I did on the sides. Just like I told you, I got these runners in. I'm not sure yet, but I think we won't really need any supports in the middle, but we'll see. But for my next little magic trick, I had these still laying in the basement. This is like what you put on a normal bed. I guess we didn't use it for some reason, maybe it's from an old bed, I don't remember. But I made the runners so these will fit perfectly, and then the mattress will get some gift too. And as for the mattress, I already picked up a mattress too this morning, second hand, only 50 zloty, so everything is on a budget. Let me just get my hands off the camera like this. And just like that, mattress frame or the bed frame is fully in, very sturdy. And like this, we still have storage underneath as well, so that's nice. I have the mattress in my van, but it's very heavy. I don't know how to take it out alone really. Maybe I'll try to see to put this thing out. I'll need to look how it's really attached, and then we'll have a nice opening from this space to that space. Here I'm planning to make a flip table, but that won't be in this video probably. But I still want to take this out and then put the mattress in to see how it fits. I said I was going to wait to put the mattress in, but I can't really wait. I want to see if it will work. So yeah, I picked up this mattress this morning for 50 zloty only, and it's in great shape. Just according to my measurements, it won't fit. It will be too big, but let's hope we can maybe push it in, and we'll see if it fits or not. Oh my, that's perfect. Oh, not really actually. Wait. It fits, but as you see, it's a little balled up. So I'm not sure yet what we will do there. Maybe it will settle. It's kind of hard to close the side doors, but first test. See if it holds. And I can actually fully stretch out here, so this is great. And just see there's some holes in the roof. I'll have to silicone those up so we don't get rained on. But anyway, this will probably conclude this video. Next video we will do some other stuff. Like I said, I want to make the table still, but we've got a lot done again today in this video. Thank you all for coming back to the channel and for sticking with me. Please watch some other videos of the channel. Anyway, thank you for watching. Peter out. Have a nice day. Bye.